So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length hair. The stylist is cutting the hair into a pixie. Wow, look at all that hair. Oh, she added some colored highlights too. Gorgeous transformation. And then we have someone else getting their hair cut and colored. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. Loving the shape and texture that the stylist is doing with this one. Wow, this is stunning. Very nicely done. I love the color and the cut combination. And then we once again see someone with mid-length hair. The hair is braided and placed into ponytails. And then chopped off into another gorgeous pixie. So there the stylist is, cutting the hair, chopping it off. And there is that pixie cut. Very nice. Beautiful asymmetrical shape. A bit of a pixie bob happening with the overall cut and silhouette. Very nicely done. Next up, we have someone with mid-length hair. It's like the stylist is doing a bob for this one, putting in some color. Beautiful. That color is so nice and subtle. So much volume within that cut too. Very nicely done. And then we see someone in for a cut refresh. Beautiful pixie bob haircuts. Very nice. Love the way that this frames her face. Beautifully done. And then we see someone with long mid-back length hair. Wow. Beautiful. beautiful blonde bob style. She looks amazing. Very nicely done and very cute outfit as well. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.